Here's a special tool for picking up cookies. Oh, come here, my precious.
Hey, Sam, munching cookies again?
Samantha, what are you doing here?
Well, in case you've suddenly forgotten, I live here. Besides, Sue asked me to feed Fluffy while she's away for a few days.
As if I can't feed Fluffy myself.
I'm sure you can. But if my dear sister asked me, where's his food? Aha. Oops. Oh well.
I'm going to tell Sue.
All right, Mr. Cat. Feeding time.
And who's going to throw this out? Look, if Sue's away, you will have to make a video for our subscribers.
What? No way. Do it yourself, Mr. Genius Slime. You keep saying how crafty you are and all that.
But, hey, no, I need an assistant. It's the style of our channel. Slime and his human friend.
Nope, not my thing.
Oh, come on.
All right, fine. But you are going to help me. And mind you, I'm not Sue. If you slack off, I'm not doing it either.
Fine, got it. Hey, where are you going? It's the other way.
Give me a moment.
Looks like we're up for something not quite usual today.
Get me some toilet paper. So, how does it go? Oh, right. Hi, everyone. Today we're going to make what are we making, Sam?
I don't know. Usually Sue comes up with ideas.
Give me that.
Hey!
Yes, right. Today we're going to make an Oreo machine. Give a thumbs up if you like the Oreo. Go on, Mr. Slime. Bring me some cardboard. And I'll see what we have in the tools department. Let's see. Nope. Nope again. Oh, here. A pencil and a ruler. I'll bring the rest later.
Here! Lots of cardboard!
Right. First, let's measure the pieces we need. And you, Sam, will stack them up.
Yes, Miss Samantha.
Let's go. Oops. First rectangle, 17.5 by 11.5 centimeters. Let's cut it. Oh, I didn't bring the cutter. I'll be right back.
What's the next piece?
12.5 by 11.5 centimeters. We need 3.
Right. So, let's give it a try.
I finally found the cutter. Are the lines ready?
Yes, of course. I did well. I deserve a reward.
What reward, Sam? It's your job, actually, and I'm just helping.
Yeah, Samantha. I forgot.
Go make a card for the machine.
Oh, like a pass to the cookie paradise?
Something like that.
Then I'm off to make it. What size?
Well, like a plastic card, I think.
Got it. And plastic cards are always so pretty. I need to come up with a design. Quick! Ha! Felt pens and paper. Hey guys, do you like creating things like logos and such? Write in the comments.
Right. Looks like it's glued together. Yep. Sam, get the next piece.
Here, 12.5 by 11.5 centimeters and a 5 centimeters hole.
Yeah. Give it here. Here's the base for our machine. Now, let's assemble a cookie wrap mechanism. It's the fun part. Now, where... Oh, here! We need a strip like this. It's 10.5 by 2.5 centimeters. And a rectangle like this. It's 14 by 10.5 centimeters. They need to fit into the machine tightly. Oh, too tight. Aha! I knew I could do it. And I need to insert the next piece at an angle. It's a cookie slide.
Right on time. Snack time.
No, time to work some more.
Oh, well, the things I do for my subscribers. What do I need to do?
One more piece. 11.5 by 12.5 centimeters.
Fine. Where are you going?
I'll be right back.
Who's impatient now? Oh, guys, can you sit patiently while you're making a craft? Write in the comments.
think we can use the towels like this. And I need this cardboard roll. I'll cut it and take it back to the machine. What have you got here?
Oh, this.
Let's stick it on. There. And we'll attach the roll here. Oh, I don't like this glue gun much. You can get burned with it. But Sue has always taught me to be careful. Our cookie shoot is done. Sam, bring me the lid.
Which lid?
Oh, do I have to do everything myself?
But I know nothing about the lid. You haven't told me.
All right. I've cut it out already. I just need to glue the holder on. Pop.
Need something else? Or perhaps we can make our viewers happy now.
Yes, we can. Ta-da! Our machine is done. We only need to decorate it and then load it up with cookies.
Will this do?
A cookie package label? Sure.
And here's the path to Cookie Paradise.
Well, the words are lopsided, but it'll do.
Lopsided, but it's a creation by Sam the Great.
Yeah.
So, is it time yet? Time to load the cookies?
It's time.
Let's go!
An important moment. Drum roll. Insert the card. And here comes the cookie.
And me? What about me?
Here, but only one.
Fine. Yay!
Guys, give a thumbs up if you liked our marvelous cookie machine. And I'm off.
And subscribe to the channel. By the way, guys, did you like Samantha? If you want her to appear in our videos more often, write that in the comments. Hey, that's all for now. See you soon. Bye, everyone.